Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making teriyaki beef that's flavorful and easy to prepare. Let's get started. The savory teriyaki beef. Ingredients for the marinade: 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup mirin, Japanese sweet rice wine, 1/4 cup sake, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 cup water. For the beef: 1 lb flank steak, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 2 green onions, chopped, sesame seeds for garnish. For serving: steamed rice, stir-fried vegetables. Directions: in a bowl, combine the soy sauce, mirin, sake, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger. Mix well to make the marinade. Place the sliced flank steak in a resealable plastic bag or shallow dish and pour the marinade over the beef. Marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, preferably 1 hour. In a small bowl, mix the cornstarch and water to make a slurry. Set aside. Heat vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Remove the beef from the marinade, allowing any excess to drip off, and cook in batches until browned and cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Remove the beef from the skillet and set aside. Pour the remaining marinade into the skillet and bring to a simmer. Stir in the cornstarch slurry and cook until the sauce thickens, about 2 minutes. Return the cooked beef to the skillet and toss to coat with the teriyaki sauce. Cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until heated through. Garnish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Serve the teriyaki beef over steamed rice with stir-fried vegetables on the side. Prep time: 15 minutes. Marinating time: 30 to 60 minutes. Cooking time: 10 minutes. Total time: 55 to 75 minutes. Kcal: 400 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, See Bazaar, for more delicious content.